know, at home as a man, you need to be able to make at least one drink for your lady.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode of The Gentleman's Code with me, Rij Eappen. There are some things every guy should know, and one of them is to fix a good drink. And today, I've got a friend of mine to help teach us 3 cocktails every man should know how to mix. We're at Coco, one of the most celebrated cocktail bars in the country, and with us today is Dimi Lezinska, mixologist extraordinaire and director of beverages at Coco, The Good Wife, and the newly opened Fool, and the sexiest Frenchman in India. Thank you, Dimi, for being on the show with me.
Thank you for having me. Thank you.
What, according to you, are 3 basic cocktails that every guy should know how to make?
I'd have to start with the Boulevardier.
Okay.
And this one has whiskey, Campari, and it has sweet vermouth. Want to have a crack?
Yes, I want to learn how to make a Boulevardier.
Okay.
All right, let's
So
do it.
you take your measure. So we'll start with the American whiskey.
All right, a full measure?
No, not a full. With 30 mils.
Okay.
Put it up.
All right. Okay.
You get your Campari.
Campari.
Just a little bit less, so about 20 mils.
Okay.
There you go. Up. And then you get your sweet vermouth.
Sweet vermouth.
Quality of ice is really important.
Oops, that much?
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, there we go. And then you take the bar spoon.
Right.
You dilute and you make it colder.
Okay. Ah, nice.
Nice piece of
Cut rock ice.
There you go.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. The Boulevardier.
So you can take a little orange zest there.
All right.
Okay, one for you, one for me. You hold it like this, and you push that forward. But what you do, you put it just on top of it here,
right?
Okay? So that the essential oils they actually go
fall into.
drink.
Yeah.
Pass it around here.
All right.
Okay. And then what we'll do, we'll put very nice dehydrated orange.
Nice. Look at that.
There you go.
Dehydrated orange. What does it taste like?
A dehydrated orange. And that
Cheers.
is as simple as it is. The Boulevardier at home for any of your guests.
Look at that.
This is sensational.
Oh my God, that's lovely. Right, so now that we've learned the Boulevardier, what should we learn next?
Next is a sidecar. 3 ingredients, so we're keeping it simple.
Okay.
And this is where we're gonna put some of your man action into into play.
Like a shaking.
Okay. So you take a shaker.
Okay.
All right. So what we'll do? So you get your measure.
All right. What is this?
This is cognac.
Cognac.
So,
all right.
45 mils of cognac.
45. All right.
Next is Cointreau, 15 mils.
Cointreau.
And then about 30 mils of lemon juice. Lots of ice.
All right. We do it?
Now you hold it like this. Okay, because in case something opens, it doesn't. It doesn't.
Right. Okay.
And then you shake it.
All right.
And like we did before, we get the essential oils just on top for the aroma.
Right. Okay.
And simple, a sidecar. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, man, that is so refreshing.
Every day of the week.
Every day.
How good is this, huh?
Every morning, you wake up to this. It's just so good. All right, so.
Simple.
One very basic cocktail every guy should know.
Well, now that we've made 2 drinks for men, you know, at home as a man, you need to be able to make at least one drink for your lady.
Ah, good point.
So now what we'll do, we'll teach you guys some flair, how to impress your lady with a very nice Rossini.
Right.
So the Rossini.
A Rossini, okay.
Rossini, which is basically strawberries and champagne. So what we have here, we have strawberry puree.
Small?
30 mils.
30, okay.
And don't forget, this is for your wife, so you better make it good. We'll put some mulberry, because in Marlborough they also have mulberries, right?
Oh, right, okay.
So this is mulberry liqueur.
Okay. All right.
15 mils. And now the interesting part. Okay, so now we'll put it for some sparkling wine. So 120 mils. So you get your shaker, lots of ice.
Okay.
And now you start from here.
Okay. All right, this is like cutting chai.
There you go. Exactly. Exactly. And then you're just gonna pour it. You know, like this. Up.
Nice.
And then you can top it just a little bit. Some bubbles. Now tell me, you know, your wife at home, she would not be happy.
Oh man, yeah, for sure.
Yeah?
Look at that.
But in the meantime, we're here drinking it. So guys, you also need to learn how to make a drink for your lady at home. And that's a great example.
Well done, I like them. Thank you so much. This was fantastic. Let's do some more fun stuff together. There you have it, guys. 3 basic cocktails every man needs to know how to make. Please try them at home. You'll have fun. If you like this video, please remember to share and like this video and subscribe to AskMen India. This is Rij Eappen signing out.